In this video, I'm going to teach you how to easily use the split screen in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, we need to open up our settings. So by that, please navigate at the bottom search bar and type for settings. Once you're done typing, please wait until a best match would appear, and once it's here, click on open to continue. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to open up the settings window. So from here, please proceed directly at the left side of that. You can see there a list of the option. Please locate for system. And under the system tab, please scroll down on the list and locate for multitasking. Okay, and from here you can see the snap windows. Okay, all you need to do is you need to turn this on or to enable it. So once you have enabled it, close the window. And from here, please try on using the s- split screen. So how we can do so? Please proceed at the bottom search bar. For example, if you would like to use the Google Chrome. So click on open. Okay. So we just have to expand the size first so that we can see it in full screen. Okay. So once done, all you need to do is you need to press Windows key and left arrow key, and in that way you would be able to place the Google Chrome here at the left side of the screen. And while using the Google Chrome, if you would like to open up the File Explorer while opening the Google Chrome without closing it, all you need to do is you need to proceed here at the bottom search bar, type for File Explorer, and wait until a best match would appear. And once it's here, just have to wait until the open option would be available here where we can click on it so that we can run it in our Windows. So click on it and eventually it will be opening up here. All you need to do is you need to press Windows key and right arrow key, and in that way you would be able to show up the File Explorer together with your Google Chrome. So you can use it here as well as at the same time you can also navigate to the File Explorer. Okay? So that's it. If you would like to close all of it, just close it as well as double tap to it and close this one and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day everyone.